let me show you some things we did to the phone. Oh God, this was not the screen thing here. I don't know how that got there. Hold on. This is what happened. My beloved iPhone. My beloved iPhone. My beloved iPhone died on me. And I'll put the clips in. It died. And I'm hurt. Because I was not going to upgrade to a new phone. Like, hella high water, I was good. Hella high water, I was good. Okay? So, it touched the water and it has never woken up since. I had to get a new one. I know, it's so sad. That's her lock screen. Okay, and this is what she looks like in the back. I'm sure if you've seen one, you've seen them all. So aesthetic and white. I just had to get white because all of my stuff is white. Like my iPad is white. Well, the case it is. My computer, keyboard stuff is white. And yeah, my MacBook cover, my MacBook Air cover is white. At least the one that I like. And then I have the black one as well because I love black too as well. She hasn't got a screen protector on yet, and we're going to do that in a minute. So this is what is in here. Yeah. So let's open up some things. I do have extra chargers because just buying earpods and different things of that nature. And so this is what I got from Amazon. Oh my God, it's not even white. Oh, I'm not gonna like that. And I got this case, which is not white. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep this. That's giving cream. I mean, it's nice, but it's giving cream. I wanted it to be white because my case is white. So I got this. And then I got this case here. Let's take it out. I got one more case coming. I'm not loving these cases. So I'm about to place an order on AliExpress because I just feel that they have better aesthetic stuff. Amazon really doesn't have the aesthetics at all. This is plastic. So this is the case here. That's one case. And then this is another one. This is giving cream. I mean, it's a nice case, but honestly, I don't like the gold because it's already turning. Yeah, you can see it there. It's already turning. Yeah. I mean, it's a cute case, but I was trying to get it to match my MacBook, but I don't like this case because if you look at the gold really good at the top, you guys can't see it because it's so, you can't see it there. It's kind of turning black. So that's a no for me. And I really thought that this was white and it's cream. So I'm really not happy with these purchases. I kind of feel like it should have just got silver because I just didn't want a cream case. Well, let's see what this looks like on the phone. It does need a case. No, it fits the phone. It's not that bad. Okay, I think I'm going to keep this one. They had a silver one like this, and I think I'm going to order that one. But it's not bad. It's not bad at all. I can do cream. Rather white, but I can do cream. What do you guys think? Do you like this case? Alright, I'm going to pick a screensaver. We're going to go with the chalk. Use as wallpaper. And then we're going to pinch it. Pinch it into shape where I want it. I like the flowers to show. Alright, and then we're going to press done. Am I moving a lot? Alright, and so we're going to hit done. And then it's going to ask us, do we want to customize it? So I do want to customize this. I want to pick another photo. And the photo I want is, I believe it's this one. Yeah, I think it's this one. Is it? Is it this one? Yeah, it's this one. So I think I'm going to hit done. And then we should have flowers. Well, I turned the screen down so it doesn't look as bright, but the flowers will be the background for this one. And it will be the chalk. Alright, 222. And it's about to be 223. I'll tell you guys about how the 2 3s keep popping up no matter what. It's so weird. So yeah. I like the way this looks, I think. So what my daughter did for me was she changed the widgets on there. I don't know if you can see that. She changed the widgets. I don't know what this thing is here. Ari! So if you notice here, I got this light on the camera. Can you guys see now? Okay, so you can see kind of better. I turned the light down a lot so you can see. So she just changed my widgets. These are my go-to, which is camera, Canva, Google, Insta, messaging, music, notes, and photo, settings, Snapchat. I don't know why she put Snapchat on my phone, but I'm going to make her move that. TikTok and YouTube. And then at the bottom is Amazon, YouTube Studios, and FaceTime and calling. So the only thing that needs to go is Snapchat. I don't really use Snapchat. I may just keep it there because sometimes you want a good filter, but I really don't use Snapchat. I'm trying to think what other app she could have put here. She could have put Target because I don't really use Snapchat like that. So yeah, this is what my phone home screen looks like when I'm inside my phone. It's just a picture that I took on my actual, I took this picture with my iMac before she went away. I mean, she's coming back because we're going to get her fixed. But yeah, she took amazing pictures. And hopefully this one takes amazing one as well, but I still love that phone. A lot of sentimental reasons why I love that phone. And then I have a 7 Plus. My mom's voicemail is on that phone. If you guys don't know, I lost my mom a couple years ago. And so, yeah, that's mainly why I like keeping things, because it's just so much attachment. Even though everything ports over into your new things because it's saved to the iCloud, I just still like to have, those things. So, yeah. If you guys are interested in a video of how she did this, I'll have her make one. Just leave a comment, thumbs up, leave some sort of message down below. I'm sure you guys probably know how to do this, but I think it's just super aesthetic. All my regular apps are they're in my library at the back. I can either search for them or just go through them. And they're not on my phone because it's just too many colors. It's just too many colors, so yeah. I love that. Alright, so we're gonna stick with this case. The other case looked cheesy. It's going back. Stay tuned for a case haul, because even though I don't need to be doing a bunch of cases, I just have an addiction to that. And then you guys remember this from the other video. It's just like a coaster. So we're just gonna put it up there. I mean, it's kind of like got things on it. Hold on. It needs to be clean. My phone died on me completely. That's why I haven't been putting up shorts or TikToks, because I kind of was out of commission for a while, but I'm back, and I have a new phone.